view new homes, make sure you smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to never miss new awesome homes like these.
Welcome to your home tour. I'm excited to show you this delightful ranch that is perfect for one-level living. Let me walk you through the features of this lovely property. As you can see, the exterior of the house is well maintained and has a metal roof that will last for years. The house is situated on a generous corner lot, which gives you plenty of space for expansion or gardening. You also have a security system installed for your peace of mind. Let's go inside and see the refreshed interior. The living room is bright and spacious, with hardwood floors and a large window that lets in natural light. The kitchen is updated and has plenty of cabinet and counter space. You'll love the convenience of having a dining area right next to the kitchen, where you can enjoy your meals with your family or guests. The house has 3 bedrooms and 1 bath, all on the same level. The bedrooms are cozy and have new carpeting and fresh paint. The bathroom is clean and functional, with a tub and shower combo. You'll appreciate the ample closet space and storage options throughout the house. But wait, there's more. Let me show you the basement, where you'll find a family room that is ideal for entertaining or relaxing. The family room has new carpeting and a propane stove that will keep you warm and cozy on those winter nights. You'll also find an office room that can be used for work or hobbies. The office room has a built-in desk and shelves, and a window that provides natural light. The basement also has a laundry area and a utility room, where you can access the furnace and water heater. This house has everything you need for comfortable and convenient living. It is located near the heart of Hermon, where you can enjoy the amenities of the town, such as schools, shops, restaurants, and parks. You'll also have easy access to the highway, which will take you to Bangor or other nearby cities. I hope you enjoyed this home that is only going for $289,900. This house won't last long on the market, so don't miss this opportunity to own your dream home. Thank you for your time and interest.